Welcome to our captivating journey into the world of chemistry, an extraordinary field that influences everything from the air we breathe to the core of life itself. Our opening chapter, Welcome to Chemistry, invites you on an expedition to explore the mysteries of molecules and atoms. Chemistry serves as a lens to understand nature. Starting with the basics, we'll reveal its role in daily life, progressing to more complex concepts. From the core building blocks of matter and the dynamic periodic table to the transformative magic of chemical reactions and the quantitative brilliance of stoichiometry, this series is designed for anyone keen to delve into chemistry. As we journey forward, discover how chemistry interplays with our everyday experiences. Ignite your curiosity and prepare for a voyage of discovery. Welcome to the fascinating world of chemistry. Embark on a journey that unveils the universe's secrets, starting with the foundational element, the atom. Exploring atomic structure grants us the key to understanding chemical reactions and the periodic table. Atoms, the universe's building blocks, consist of a complex arrangement of protons, neutrons, and electrons, each essential to an atom's identity. This knowledge serves as our compass in the vibrant world of chemistry, guiding us through its challenges and wonders. Let's continue to weave atoms into the larger story of the universe, exploring the logic and beauty of chemical interactions. Venturing across chemistry's vast landscapes, we find the periodic table, a map of the chemical universe. More than a chart, it encodes elements' fundamental properties, grouping them ingeniously. This system, revealing periodic trends, enables us to predict element behaviors, from alkali metals' reactivity to noble gases' tranquility. Understanding these patterns equips us with chemistry's language, inviting us to foresee interactions and transformations. As we navigate this map, we gain insights into the universe's fabric, laying the groundwork for unraveling chemical reactions' complex dance. Central to chemistry is the process of chemical reactions, where substances transform and interact. Exploring synthesis, decomposition, and replacement reactions uncovers the creativity of chemical interactions. Balancing equations, a cornerstone skill, ensures adherence to the conservation of mass law. This puzzle-solving aspect leads to predicting reaction outcomes and quantifying involved substances. These transformations have profound real-world impacts, from our nutrition to the very air we breathe, showcasing chemistry's pivotal role. In the realm of quantitative chemistry, we explore stoichiometry, linking the abstract with tangible reality through the mole concept. Like ingredients in a cake recipe ensure a perfect outcome, stoichiometry predicts product quantities from reactant proportions. This exploration, from atoms to moles to reactions, embodies chemistry's elegance, where precision yields predictability and harmony. We'll delve into mass conservation in reactions and how these principles apply to scaling processes, bridging atomic theory with practical applications. Delving into common misconceptions, we clarify two prevalent chemistry myths. Contrary to long-standing beliefs, atoms are divisible into smaller constituents, protons, neutrons, and electrons, reshaping our understanding of atomic structure. Additionally, not all chemical reactions are reversible. Factors like energy changes and reaction rates dictate reversibility. Addressing these misconceptions broadens our foundational knowledge, paving the way for deeper chemistry exploration and enhancing our appreciation of chemical processes. Chemistry's essence pulses in our daily routines, from cooking, where molecular dances create flavorful dishes, to using cleaning agents, born from chemical principles. These real-life applications illuminate that chemistry transcends textbooks, playing a crucial role in our daily experiences. As we progress, remember these tangible applications showcase chemistry's omnipresence and indispensability, bridging theoretical concepts with everyday life, setting the stage for further exploration into chemistry's impact. Venturing beyond the basics, we enter the realms of organic chemistry and biochemistry, where life's molecules take center stage. Organic chemistry, exploring carbon-based molecules, forms life's diversity foundation. Transitioning to biochemistry, where chemistry meets biology, we uncover the dance of molecules within organisms. This exploration reveals life's profound complexity and simplicity, from cellular mechanisms to ecosystems. Standing at this crossroads, we're poised to delve deeper, fueled by curiosity and a desire for discovery. In our series concluding segment, Experimenting at Home, we bridge theory with practice. Simple, safe experiments allow you to be a home scientist, enhancing understanding of chemistry's core concepts. From baking soda volcanoes to crystal growth, these activities deepen your engagement with chemistry. Always prioritize safety, and let these experiments be the start of ongoing exploration. The vast, remarkable world of chemistry awaits your personal discoveries, continuing beyond this series. Reflecting on our journey, we've traversed from atomic structures to the marvels of the periodic table, dived into chemical reactions, stoichiometry, and cleared misconceptions. We've highlighted chemistry in daily life and peeked into organic and biochemistry. This journey underscores that learning is perpetual, urging you to remain inquisitive and exploratory. The universe's secrets, coded in chemistry, invite further exploration. Embrace this endless knowledge vista, remembering our shared spark of inquiry. And carry forward the joy of discovery.